was a jolly, happy soul, and a corncob pipe and a butter nose, and two eyes made out of coal. Be a jolly, happy soul, spend some outdoors, stay cool. It's okay to be bottom and be a corner down. Be well rounded, be well with a something good.
No matter how abandoned and alone you feel, somehow, somewhere, someone knows and cares. Friends are people who know you really well and like you anyway.
A true friend accept who you are, but also help you become who you should